Alright guys, we'll have a look at the what we're going to order now. I'd recommend that you share chickens and you share pork in bamboo, and you can share, if you're non-vegetarian, the bun lock with the mushroom and peanuts and pork is really good. And if you are vegetarian, the mushroom and peanuts on the bun lock's really good. They've got vegetables. Yeah. It's only 120 for pork, so we might as well get 3 of them, yeah? So we're at Moi Moi restaurant and we've just ordered our food. I rang an hour before we came and I said, get some people into work and that. We're coming with 10 people. I said, we'll have 10 people, so you probably should start prepping a few chickens and that. He was like, yep, got it, no problem. Yeah, no, we'll be ready. I literally said the words, you've got people to work coming in now. Yep. And then I got here, they haven't even got the fire, they haven't even like collected some firewood or something.
The chickens are still running in the forest.
People have gone looking for chickens now. Lighting the fire. Yeah, what it is, it's a part of like trying to slow you down so you can appreciate where you are. They're not going to let you just blow in and grab some food and run.
That's true.
Many of us are already used to the pastilles and the food and everything is
Yeah, there's no photos on the menu here. There does seem to be a lot of smoke. Seems to be something wrong with the hot plate over here. So this is what we call la boy, la being leaf, boy is like a pomelo, that's la boy. Here we've got the bamboo that we're going to use to cook the pork in, and we've got some other ingredients here. We've got so that's the hang is onion. So this is shallots is hang la, so leafy onion. Hang dai is like the big white onion. Hang dai means western onion. Dai being west. Vietnamese language is often very literal. Bit of chili. So we'll make a bit of lemon juice over the meat and the vegetables mixed together. hang ku.
Ừ.
And
Thôi,
toy,
thôi.
hang toy. Hang toy is garlic and hang ku is the small onions. So this is the garlic, yeah, the hang toy.
Hai tối.
I once asked a lady how much garlic should you put in a dish. She said that you can't put too much garlic in a dish. Basically, we've got all the different ingredients and mixed them together. The meat, the vegetables, the garlic, what have you. Add the secret seasonings. What's that one? Moi.
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 No.
With salt. Moi dill. Any fish sauce would do, but this is what we use here. Okay. And a bit of chào chú. Khỏe không?
Về.
Okay. Little bit more product placement. The Thịt Nhông Sa from Verona. There you go.
Dầu ăn.
Dầu,
Dầu ăn.
dầu rau, dầu dứa. Ong chair, which means the pipe made from bamboo. Ong is pipe and chair is bamboo. And we're going to stuff that into there, like so. There's no sort of rhyme or rhythm to it. In it goes.
Lá bưới.
La boy. La boy being the pomelo, the leaves of the pomelo tree. We stuff those in on top of the pork.
Ổ điện thoại nữa là số ổ bể nữa. Ổ bể ghê thấy.
Làm ban lock, huh?
Bánh lóc.
Ban lock, huh?
Ừ.
So we're now making the bun lock. The bun lock is a cassava cake with vegetable and peanuts inside. Beautiful vegetarian dish, the bun lock ăn chay. You can also get it with meat in it, but today we've ordered it with a bit of a vegetarian twist on it, due to the fact that we've got a couple of vegetarians with us. Năm hả? Năm tay heo.
Năm mèo.
Neo, bên đây tay heo. Hả?
Đúng.
The whole thing with a farm to table restaurant is that when you order, the people go and start catching whatever it is you've ordered. And today we've ordered a couple of chickens, so we're going to have to wait while the people go and catch them, and then we'll be able to have them prepared for us. It's a little bit primitive compared to going to the supermarket to get your chicken, but it's the real world here in rural Vietnam. So marinating a few chickens here. Everybody's starting to get nervous now about how long it's all taking. We did ask these fine people of this fine establishment to get things ready for us before we came, and they all stayed in their hammocks because they've got a completely and utterly different sense of time. Yeah.
Huh? That's great.
Of them making. So while we're waiting for the chickens and the pork and the bun lock to cook, it's recommended that you jump in a hammock. And here in this wooden house, everyone's found a hammock. Yeah, jump in a hammock. Oh, we're a hammock short. No hammock for you? No hammock?
No. Rude.
How's the bun lock looking? We're mixing it all up here. So what do we got in here? Nam, carrot,
Mắm cà rốt,
rau,
rau, hành,
hang, dưa,
tiêu,
kale. So we've got onion,
đậu,
carrot,
đậu,
mushrooms, peanuts, pepper.
đậu.
Did I say onion? And we're sauteing it. It's a vegetarian concoction. Dọc hả?
Bánh lóc, bột.
Bột. Bit of flour.
Bột lóc.
Bột lọc. A bit of oil.
Dầu.
Dầu. A bit of nhục sôi, nhục non. So she's making up the pastry for the bun lock. We'll need one of those dreaded plastic gloves again. Now this is very farm to table. As you can see, they've got the banana leaves here that they've just gone and harvested and cut up. And we've got the flour sort of pastry for the bun lock being made there behind me. She's mixed the flour with the bit of hot water and a bit of oil. And we'll be wrapping the bun lock in the banana leaves. I don't think I'd like to have an arm wrestle with this lady. I reckon she'd have fairly strong wrists and forearms, looking at how this pastry's been treated for the last 4 or 5 minutes here. We'll have to get the filling and put it into the little pastry parcels and wrap it in banana leaf prior to cooking. Yeah, they look too. Hey?
Stop giving excuses.
Okay guys, if you want to come and take a seat, you want to wake up anyone who's asleep? The long wait is over.
You know, a long time to cook. Like,
Okay.
like stone, like to cook the stone.
Okay.
It's very famous.
Well, this is Mum Da, yeah?
Voilà, exactly. Like your half moon or whatever. Make it more tasteful.
Enjoying the sun.
Yeah, sit there. Good stuff.
Good things you ordered 3, otherwise we would be fighting. Told you.
We'll see.
Wow, here there is chicken now.
Les enfants, viens ici là.
considering this one sample. Yeah, see?
Who said they don't eat pork?
I'll sample.
Who said only order two?
Never saw
All the people who are going to like have to sample it now.
Wow. How are we going to get it for 1 second? Maybe move the...
Nice, mate. Nice, mate. Nice.
Mmm.
Do you know this?
Let's do this.
Are you guys hot opposed to maybe I turn this off?
No, I'm not hot.
Yeah, just so to keep the food hot.
Okay, come on.